Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the law of giving and receiving. Yes, based on your request, I'm going to discuss this law today. What does this law of giving and receiving mean? We all know that in universe everything is energy, and energy is what is flowing every minute in the universe. So our mind, our body and universe are constantly interacting and exchanging this energy, and that is reflecting in this law of giving and receiving. Now let me help you understand as to why is it important for this flow to happen naturally. I personally had this feeling, when I had to make big payments. I had this feeling of being, oh my god, why am I supposed to make this payment? Now my bank account will come down. And those kind of not so good feelings relating to money when it came to making a payment or giving. And that feeling stops the flow. So to get the flow of universe in you, be very, very natural in giving. It's just like water. A flowing water never stinks, but a stagnant water stinks. The same is with money. Money has to flow. If the money is stagnant, then it will stink, it will clot, it will coagulate. Let this be a natural flow. I understand that you would start feeling that I don't have enough right now, and how can I give? And this was a state of mind for me as well. But understanding this law of giving and receiving will help you erase this feeling. So I'm going to break down this law into two parts. One is the law of giving and the other is the law of receiving. Now, our basic understanding when it came to law of giving, or when I would say we should give something to somebody, the first pop-up that came into our mind was something materialistic. Now, that's not true. In fact, the best form of giving is in terms of intangible things, like a blessing or a prayer or a compliment. These are the best form of giving, and they bring you amazing results. But by far, I would also suggest that you should include material gifts as well. So, when we give, the feeling that we have should be happy. Towards the end, I'm going to share on steps how to include this gift of giving, or how to include the law of giving in your daily life. Coming to the law of receiving, I was a very bad receiver. I always brushed off. When I would get compliments, I would just brush it off saying that, okay, fine, thanks, or maybe like, oh, let it be, that's not true for me. And that is also something that you need to work on. You got to be open to receiving. You got to receive compliments, gifts. That if somebody gave me something very expensive, I would immediately reject, which means I was not a good receiver. But it was universe's way of gifting me something back for maybe what I had given in the past. So it's a law. When you give, you receive. So this receiving is a very important part of this law. You have to be open to receiving. You have to acknowledge when somebody gives you a compliment, or maybe somebody gives you something, or maybe somebody offers to pay for your maybe lunch or take you out for a coffee and pays for your coffee. Be graceful and accept it. Here I would want to mention one thing is, the intention is not to make somebody pay for my coffee or for my lunch. The intention is with a good intent. When somebody is gifting me something out of care, love, I accept it. If you are making somebody pay out of that feeling that, okay, I'm not going to pay for it, you're going to pay for it, then this law will not work for you. So you got to be graceful in accepting whatever gifts universe decides to give you through various people. Now let me explain you how we can include both these laws into our lives by practicing it maybe for 2 minutes or 5 minutes a day. These practices won't take a long time. These are like short practices. So to include the law of giving, I would suggest that start giving one blessing or one compliment to anybody whom you meet or interact during your day. For example, say you interacted with your security guard in the building. Just give him a silent blessing. He's doing a phenomenal job of taking care of the security of the building. Why not give him a good blessing or compliment him? Or maybe your mom, she makes food for you. How many times have you told her that, Mom, it was such an amazing food? How many times have you complimented her? Take that time out today and compliment your mom that she made a good food or made good coffee. And that's one way where you can include the law of giving into your life. I would suggest practice this for 21 days. Find one thing to either compliment or bless. This will help you include the law of giving. And law of receiving will require you to be a little bit aware of how you are reacting when somebody compliments you. And immediately identify when you find yourself rejecting a compliment. Identify and accept that compliment with grace. Stop yourself there and work on accepting that compliment. Slowly and steadily, you will start opening up yourself to receiving gifts, and you will be amazed on how universe gives you back. So that's the law of giving and receiving for you. I hope you guys practice this. Do let me know in comments below as to how this whole experience was, and if you want me to make more of such videos on spiritual laws of the universe, then also please reach out to me in the comments. I would be more than happy to make this for you guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.